Hi guys, Mav here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mav and I do anything and everything DIY. So if that's your thing, then don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And for today's video, we will be doing Heath Ledgers Joker makeup tutorial. And if you'd like to see how that goes, then keep on watching. To start off, of course, we will be clipping our hair and putting that out of the way, especially these bangs. Now, once that's out, take out your face paint. We'll be using white and covering the whole face with white. And I'm gonna try to use a brush, like a foundation brush just like this, and just spread that all over my face. Of course, I did wash my face to take off the oil and dirt and to hopefully have the paint adhere to my face better. Make sure to brush upwards up to your hairline. And since I already have purple hair, I'm just gonna go with a green costume and a dark blue coat because that's blazer, because that's the nearest thing I have to a purple coat. Now you can keep it this way, like just cover your face with a white face paint, or of course you can use nose and scar wax, or if you don't have one, you can definitely go with Elmer's glue and cotton, like just regular cotton, not even cotton balls, okay? And of course, we will be painting our faces up to right here without the scar. And show you how that goes. Now, I'm gonna stop right here and see if I can make this nose and scar wax work. And I tried to pick it up before using my fingers, however, it's sticking more to my finger like a melted Play-Doh instead of my face. So what I'm gonna do now, try out instead, is scrape this out using a scalpel basically. And apply that straight to my face. This wax is very hard to work with. If you can grab yourself Btch with spirit gum, that would be so much better because you can form it. Just make sure to put petroleum jelly on your fingers so it's not gonna stick on your fingers. You can mold Btch wax and then apply spirit gum on your face, on the part that you're gonna be applying the wound or where you're gonna be putting it. And then it's gonna stick and stay there longer, unlike this one, where it just moves constantly. You can't form it at all. Oh my fucking god. That's fucking ugly. Alright, let's try out this one. Just our handy dandy Elmer's glue and some cotton. Maybe this will be easier, way easier than this. So let's try this out instead. This wax is just not working at all. And what I'm worried about is that if I paint it over with the white face paint, that it's not going to be sticking on my face, and instead it's going to be sticking to the brush. So. Just make sure it goes smoothly to the edge of to the corners of your mouth. And just apply a thin layer. Then with different fingers. Don't use the one that you use for the glue. Pick up some cotton Oh my fucking god, it's still Elmer's glue is the fucking bomb. So that was so much easier. God damn it. I'm just gonna take this off. Wow, that was way too easy. Now while we are letting this dry, I'm gonna do the other one. Get some cotton and then thin that out. So I'm gonna be rolling this a little, or more on pinching it, not rolling it. Because I want this to have a really big, really deep scar on this part. So we can have the edges, the openings of the wound on this part. And thinning that out as we go. Make sure to spread that out on the parts where you put in where you applied the glue. So it's gonna have a smooth transition to your face. It doesn't have to be really smooth like makeup smooth. I mean, like, you know, like wound smooth. Now we'll be parting this in the middle. Since we just applied a really thin layer of glue, it's gonna dry out really quick, and once it's a little dry, you can already part that. See that? So the corners of your mouth is gonna be continuous. It's gonna be continuing up to here, same as this part. So you gotta leave this a little bigger, then going narrower as you go upwards. Let's continue painting our face white, and then of course I'm gonna do that. Then I'll be back. By the way, if you do not have a brush, you can just use your fingers and just tap it in. Okay, so now that's done. I'm gonna be picking up this bloody red shade. You can either use a face paint, red lipstick, red eyeshadow, red whatever that you have there. As long as it's safe to use it on your face, especially if you have a sensitive face. So I'm gonna first use just my finger to stamp this red all over the scar and my lips. Let's go on to the black, and I'm gonna get a really small brush right here and dip that on the black face paint and just go over the opening of the wound. Now I'm just gonna use my finger again to do the black eye And just doing that as raw as you can, especially darker as it gets to the center. And of course, for that to be as dark as possible in the center, just make sure to tap it in. I'm using this part, this, not this, not this, this part of my finger to stamp it in. Now, for now, I'll leave it like this. I get another phone to double check the reference photo while I'm doing the eyes and polishing everything, especially the wrinkles and the fine lines. That's that. All right, now it wasn't recording earlier. Nice. So now we're just gonna polish the eyes, and it's not really round, so we're gonna do like a Spider-Man thing. Just like this, see that? And I'm gonna bring the paint up to my eyebrows. Going up from the arch, just like this. And make sure to smudge everything out. All of the edges, not only on your eyes, but especially on your lips. No harsh lines, even with Joker. And with this, with regards to smudging, you can just use your clean finger, whichever your clean finger is. Now, since I don't have wrinkles as defined as his, we're just gonna fake it. And I was thinking of using a foundation as close to my skin as possible, of course. And let's see if that's gonna work, because I also have to work on my hairline and see if faking it will do. And I'm just gonna use this brush right here, like a contour brush, and try to do a fake hairline. Okay, I was thinking, instead of using an eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this gel liner, if this is still working. Or we can also try to use the black face paint instead, because that wasn't black enough. Now we're gonna do the fine lines and wrinkles. I'm gonna use this BB cream. Hope it works. And I'm gonna use like an eyeshadow brush. I'll get a bronzer instead to deepen the wrinkles. And just smudge that with your fingers. Now with the same brush that I used earlier, with the black part on my lips, I remove the excess product, and then I'm just gonna create wrinkles here on my nose. Got a weird red smile line right here. And do not forget the scar on the middle. Since Joker scars are already healed way too long, I'm just gonna use a gel blood to make it fresh, and of course liquid blood along with that. And I'm going to apply this on the insides of my mouth. Now, as for my hair, it's up to you if you want to curl your hair or not. And then I'm just gonna blow it back because it's got to be like a brush up thing. So yeah, then I'll be back.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the...
And there you have it. We're all good. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And as always, if you have any comments, questions on what we did, or suggestions, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram, and it's me, Mab. You now have a good one. I'll see you in our next video. Thank you so much again for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just